Assalamualaikum and Salam Negaraku Malaysia. I am here to present my team's project entitled Vertical Window Herbs Garden for the project organized by Universiti Malaya and Mr. DIY Made It Simple 2020 Green School Vertical Garden. Our vertical window herbs garden is using the concept of aquaponic. But what is aquaponic? Aquaponic is derived from two words which are aquaculture and hydroponic. Aquaculture refers to raising fish in a controlled environment, while hydroponic is a method of growing plants in a nutrient-rich water. What are the problems that we are trying to overcome? Our first problem is the hilly landscape and the soil is not really suitable for planting as it is infertile and needs extra care to make sure plants grow well. Our second problem is non-conducive environment and unutilized corridor. Okay guys, let's move on to the ways to overcome. In order to maximize whatever facility that we have, we decided to utilize the best place which have enough light intensity and at the same time does not disturb the students' movement. So we choose the corridor. Our team wants to create a beautiful and well-organized landscape filled with herbaceous plants. We will arrange the plants vertically, neatly, and label the plant accordingly to make it easier for teachers and students to enjoy the sight of the herbs and learn much about them. Therefore, the vacant space can be fully utilized to support PDPC. This unique concept can also solve the current lighting problem and in the same time creating a fascinating view window display. To set up our project, we need Thank you, and we hope that you enjoyed watching our video, and please give it a big thumbs up.